Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In order to get this effect, first of all you need to import the default text and then make your timeline like this. Now change the font style, increase the size and scroll down and select glow. Now you can adjust the intensity and range. Now add another text and then draw a dotted line. Turn off the uniform scale. And then change the character to -3. And then adjust their scale width and scale height. In this way, the dotted line will be turned into the straight line. Now copy this clip and make a duplicate of it. Now rotate it to around 290 degrees. In this way, you can have your center point. Now select your first timeline clip and drag it in a downward direction. Now from here, turn off the uniform scale as well. And then from the position, mark a keyframe and then move the timeline in the upward direction. Now you can see the timeline is moving. Now you can delete the vertical line. Now select the timeline line and create a compound clip. Then go to the video and select the mask. Then select rectangular mask, adjust it. Adjust it according to the center of your figure. You can also change the feather. Select the line clip and create a compound clip. And then go to the mask and select the mirror. Rotate it. And from here, apply the reverse effect. In this way, you can have this scrolling timer effect. I hope you liked my video. Kindly subscribe my channel and like the video and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.